Okay, this is fun. Look, I'm on Inspired on the Blue Jeans website, so you can see my face, and you can hear me talking, and I can talk you through this program. So that's very good. This is the inputs lesson, lesson one for Python. So by now, hopefully, you've all installed it. Hopefully, it will all become clear. So first of all, program number one. We can do this together. Write a program that asks the user to enter their name. Okay, so their name. So we'll create a variable. Create a variable. Okay, so we're going to tell the user basically who they are. So your name equals, and this is the entire point of the lesson, input. Yeah, your name equals an input. Yeah, an input by the user. So input, and we need to put quote marks in here. Yeah, what is your name? Okay, what is your name? Now, what will happen with this is, this will appear on screen and the user will type in their name, but then nothing happens. What do I mean? If I run this, and you'll need to save yours, so I run the module, yeah, click on save, click OK. What is your name? And I type in Mr. Bulmer. Notice I've got a bit of a problem there of my typing is right up to where the question is, and then nothing. Okay, nothing happens. So we need to display that. So I'm going to close that window. The program should display a welcome message. Yeah, I'm just going to put a little space in there, and then it will put a space in when it asks the question. So we're going to use a print command for this. So I'm going to move those up a little bit. Print. So what do I want it to print? Well, we'll start off. Everything's got to be in brackets. I'm going to put hello, space, and then I'm going to use the plus, your name. Okay. Then I'm going to use a plus again, and another string. Hello, your name. And we'll have a welcome message now. I'll put a space in there. Welcome to my program. Okay? End quotes, close the brackets. So, write a program that asks the user to enter their name. The program should display a welcome message. Your name, print message. Let's run that and see what happens. Okay? What's your name? Hello, Mr. Bulmer. Welcome to my program. Perfect. Program 2. Ask the user what year they were born. Okay, so we're going to leave this running because it's remembered. This is all in one program. Look, despite me having two questions, all I've done here is this is basic normal text, but I've put an hashtag in front of it. This means I've basically commented the program. Okay, if I put an hashtag in there, it means this can appear in the program, but it will not run as part of the program. So, again, how we're going to do this? We need a variable, year, born, okay, equals, input. Little ding tells me that's the wrong thing to do. What year were you born? Question mark. Put a space in as before. Okay. So run again. Run. Make sure I save it. Mr. Bulmer, Hello, Mr. Bowman, welcome to my program. What year were you born? Dare I say, 1972. Okay, nothing happens. Nothing happens. But it's saved 1972 into the variable year born. Okay? So ask the user what year they were born. Subtract this from current year and tell them how old they are. So, if I put in print 2020 minus year born, what do you think will happen? So I've put a figure in there, put a minus in there, put year born in there. Let's run it and see. Wrong module. Okay. Oh, gone wappy. What year we were born? 1972. We've got a problem. We've got a problem because we've not included these things here. We're getting mixed up. We've got an unsupported operator, an unsupported type. We should be having either an int, which means integer, or an str, which means string. We've not told the program what file type we're wanting to use. So I need to put in something here. So I'm going to put int to say this is an input. Sorry, in lowercase, int brackets. Now, because I've got two brackets at this side, I want to put two brackets at the end here. So this is saying whatever you put in here is going to be seen as a number. So whatever's stored in year born is a number value, not a string value. Okay, so I'm going to run it again. What year was I born? 19. What year were you born? I was born in 1972. What year were you born? And it's giving me the message 48. I'm not 48, I'm 47. So, what can we put in here? You will be maybe if I put a comma in there, this year. Oh. This year. Okay. Commas work the same way as pluses, but because we've got a minus in there, we're going to put a comma in just to see what happens. Okay, let's run it and see. Run module. Click OK. What is your name? What year was I born? 1972. You will be 48 this year. Fantastic. You can see what has happened. So the commas did work, but the commas a little bit better than maybe than the pluses. I've put an additional space in, so I can remove. Close this. I could remove the space there, and I could remove the space there. Okay. That is your first program. Have a go at that. Put your own messages in. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps. Bye. I'll speak to you soon.